You decided to register your company. How do you do it? It's very simple. You simply need to make an appointment by Chamber of Commerce. Check the link below. Come there. Come prepared. You do need to understand and describe what are you gonna do. It will help the employees of KVK Chamber of Commerce to register you correctly. They will assign codes of the activities you do. It also allows them to link you with correct organizations that will inform you about, for example, subsidies and help available to grow your business. Before jumping into registration, think carefully. When is the right moment? Do you already need to be registered? Are you going to approach the potential customers? Are you planning on receiving any profits? Why am I asking that? Once you have registered, you're a company. This is the moment your discounts are starting. A lot of the starter discounts are time bound, meaning they're valid for a year, 2, 3, sometimes 5. If you have registered yourself, the clock starts ticking. And if you have registered but not yet execute, you're basically wasting the time you could have discounted tax rates or no tax at all. Therefore, moment when you register is very important. Now, let's jump into technical details how to get registered. Chamber of Commerce registration is rather simple. First, you will need to fill form online. Check the link below. It will ask you what type of business you're gonna run, whether you're running it from one location, several locations, are you selling products, providing services, what kind of products and services, nationally, internationally, and so on. It will help the Chamber of Commerce employee to prepare for your visit and help you register correctly. Once you have submitted your form, you can make an appointment to come physically to the Chamber of Commerce office and finalize the application. They will have to check your identity, therefore bring your ID card, and you do have to pay one-time fee. At the moment of 2026, the fees are 85 euros and 15 cents. They do increase a little bit every year. Check links below for detailed description and a ton of useful links from KVK.